Kikombe cha umbea kimeshadunda mezani, yani
chai ya moto show.
Kwana tia mwiroreri witu wa Just Kenya Official TV ori ngijitikiria gunyite ugeni thiini wa ceceni ino hare turagithi na mbere gukorwo tugikumenyithia mohoro mothe mara marahanika thiini wa nenda citu cio kinyanire na ngehoka ati wi thayo wa mwathani o hare uratwirorera na o ningi ngehoka ati nuragithi na mbere gukorwo subscribe thiini wa ceceni ino ira turakorwo tugithi na mbere gukurehera mohoro mothe mara marahanika thiini wa nenda citu cio kinyaniria na ni ati mwenore wa Facebook kwina kiha kinene muno hokire kiumanite na mundu witwo Simon Mwangi muthiora thutha wa gukorwo agitiga ndumiriri thiini wa account yake ya Facebook o iria andu aingi riu ni makoretwo magitigwo na kiha muno ni undu wa uhoro uyu na uraririkana mundu witwo Simon Mwangi muthiora no uria wathiaga na mbere na hashtag ino ya Justice for Jeff ona ningi agakorwo akiruirira kihoto kia mundu witwo Jeff Mwathi riu Simon Mwangi muthiora kwetukira Facebook account yake ni akoretwo agitiga ndumiriri ino. This is my last post about Jeff Mwathi today. This photo was posted the day Jeff was killed. Mama Jeff and family, I did my best. I have my own sons now to protect. They are in danger, but I will protect them with my blood. Na ninge mundu witwo Simon Mwangi muthiora no agithiete na mbere na kuhoya mundu witwo DJ Fatxo musamaha kana kumuhoya apology ni undu wa maundu maria akoretwo akimwika. Ninge ni akoretwo akiuga atiriri, please DJ Fatxo, don't mess with me. Don't mess me or my boys. I'm sorry I exposed you. Macio ni mohoro maria Simon Mwangi muthiora akoretwo agitiga thiini wa account yake ya Facebook na andu aingi magakorwo makiariria uhoro uyu makiuga ati what's wrong mundu gwitwo Honorable Charlene Wambuya koria what's wrong, may the Lord protect you. Ungi akauga atiriri ha witwo Macharia kawa wira akauga I thank God you are done ni uraboaga. Ungi ugwitwo Maureen Kamau akauga follow your instincts but thank you for making this story known. Thank you for fighting for a man you didn't know. May the Lord reward you in hundreds fold for this noble deed. If your heart and mind tells you to give it a rest, then we can only do so much love and light. Macio ni mohoro maria tukuhariria oro ri mwiroreri witu ndukomwe mitambo ini tugukorwo tugikurehera mohoro maya na mangi maingi.